बस बहुत हो गया अनबॉक्सिंग। So what is up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you whether you should buy Samsung Galaxy M40 in 2020 or not. So let's get straight into the video. Samsung Galaxy M40 is manufactured by Samsung Electronics. The phone comes with Android 10 with Samsung's One UI skin. The M40 is marketed for India and other countries. The M40 was unveiled by Samsung on June 11, 2019. Samsung Galaxy M40 comes with a 6.3-inch EFT LCD display. On the right side of the phone there is a volume rocker and power on-off button. At the bottom there is a Type-C port for charging as well as for earphones. There is no audio jack. On the upper side there is a secondary microphone. The left side of the phone is mostly clean except there is a SIM tray, which is a hybrid dual SIM slot. The back panel of the phone is made up of plastic, but it feels very glossy. It has a physical fingerprint sensor at the back. Samsung Galaxy M40 has 3 cameras. The first is the primary one, which is 32 megapixel f1.7. Secondly, the live focus camera, which is 5 megapixel f2.2, and lastly the 8 megapixel ultra wide lens camera. The cameras in this phone are really very good, and these are some sample shots from the Galaxy M40 in daylight time. In terms of security, you get a face unlock feature and fingerprint sensor at the back. Samsung Galaxy M40 has a Snapdragon 675 processor with 6GB of RAM, which will give you good performance. Even heavy games like PUBG Mobile runs on high graphics.
Nice.
You can even record 4K videos on your Samsung Galaxy M40. It also gives the option to record super slow-mo at 240 fps, hyperlapse and ultra-wide video options. The front camera in Galaxy M40 is 16 megapixel with f2.0 aperture. It has a 7.9mm sleek body and premium dual tone finish. The battery in Galaxy M40 is 3500 mAh with 15-watt Type-C fast charging.
Hey, that's pretty good.
It also has screen sound technology which transforms your screen into a speaker, which is really good for a budget-range smartphone. After viewing all the specs and the features, it's time to know the truth. Samsung Galaxy M40 is a great phone, but everything in this world is not perfect. So there are few things that you should keep in mind before buying this phone. It has no 3.5mm audio jack. In fact, you get a Type-C earphones with this phone, but it's still a problem. If there is no audio jack, then how you are going to connect this phone to your car stereo or any other speaker? Secondly, if you go to find a Type-C to audio jack converter, you have to roam around a lot. Means a lot, because this phone doesn't work with ordinary converters, so you have to buy an original Samsung converter. The second point is selfie camera. Samsung says that there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera, but it feels like you are using a 8 megapixel camera. The quality of the picture is not so good. So at the last, I would conclude that if you are going to buy a phone under 20,000 rupees, you can go for this phone. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe for latest updates. Bye bye. We'll meet you next time.